I gotta be brave. I just gotta show you how it is. When your gloves are cold, well, if you have leather gloves, this is how you warm them up right here. I love to do this in the morning. It's like a sauna for my fingers. Oh, yeah. Woo! Toasty warm. Now I can go gather me some twigs and junk to put in here. Well, I think I'll start up the Tote Gote, let it warm up a bit. Let's get this fire going. What I'm doing there is I'm grinding these sticks so they're down into those coals that were left over from the fire last night. And that way they can get exposed to all that heat, start drying out, get warmed up, and then start burning. Well, I'll get me some water on the fire here. I gotta have something hot to drink to even function here. Hey. I have had an absolute blast riding the Tote Gote all over here. It has been fun. I love it. And you know, all the time I'm just letting my fire roll here, get me some nice coals for something for breakfast. I haven't even thought about what that is yet. But who cares? I don't even feel like eating right now. Trying to keep my boots a little away from the fire because, well, it's not going to matter. They're unthawed now, so my feet are going to be wet the rest of the day. But we'll live. I'll keep the fire going probably most of the day. If I need to warm up the tootsies a little bit, I'll get over here. But man, it is a beautiful day. I haven't seen a cloud in the sky anywhere today, and that is absolutely a great sign. It's going to be wonderful. Well, I need to go get some more firewood, and I think I'll use the Tote Gote to get it. I found me a piece of wood that had broken off of this pinion here, and so I got it over here. I busted off all the big scraggly branches and stuff. So I'll get up to the goat and see if it'll go. I don't know. It may not do jack. I don't know. We will soon find out. Okay, here's some more of the Perry insanity right here going on. So I've got a piece of Dyneema cord to set them up as hammocks. And it's got an eye in one end right there.